properly, aren't you?
I want to get it stretched, but no one will let me.
You want to get it what?
Like stretched.
Fine,
Don't
don't
do
get it
that.
stretched for.
Disgusting.
I'm going to take it to the bottom of that line because obviously maybe it will, you know, not shrink as fast or something like that. How long was it in last one?
A couple months, but
Oh, it's not long though. Okay, if you're holding to that.
Is it cold?
Cool. Right, how's that feeling? Do you want me to pour some more anesthetic on?
no, it should be fine.
Should be fine. Right, okay. Okay, all done. I had a bit of scar tissue there. But I did offer you more anesthetic, more or less.
Yeah, you did.
Yeah, I'm fine.
It's done.
Yeah, piercing's done.
Oh, a white one's done.
No, that's just it.
Alright.
Yeah, it's the cannula.
Oh, sorry.
It's alright.
This is boomer iron.
Right, it'll probably swell up. Put a bag of frozen peas on it or something.
Okay.
Right, if it...
Do you like it? Oh, yeah.
Put it!
I went to town. I'm watching Moulin Rouge. My friend's over there watching me film. She thinks I'm mental. She got her eyebrow done. We went to Poundland. Saw a bloody DVD called Blood Fist. Yeah! What else happened?
This one before.
You can get a singular DVD, right, of just Blood Fist, or you can get Blood Fist 1 and Blood Fist 4 for £1. Why 1 and 4? What about 2 and 3? 2? What's the point in getting like Blood Fist by itself is £1, and Blood Fist 1 and Blood Fist 4 together is also £1. Bloody Poundland! I'm the paedophile Santa. You can get an inflatable toy, and it's like you get a Santa and a snowman, and we describe them as the paedophile Santa and that I've just been touched snowman. Why didn't we buy them? But now we're watching Moulin Rouge and it's good, and I'm gonna go. What the fuck are you doing?
I don't know.
Can you play Guitar Hero so I can beat you? 'Cause I'm amazing.
Can you take your top off?
I'm a charge cable.
No, but do the disappearing thing
Disappearing thing.
under the duvet.
That really hurt.
I was watching that.
Ghost TV!
I didn't mean to bring it.
You shit! Good job! Good job!
Oh, you also have?
Rachel.
I'm going to post it now.
Rachel. No, sit. William.
On the way.
Yes! Gotcha!